What does it cost? What is this for an animal? Please make the light off.
Oh no, you are German, aren't you?
Ja, das bin.
Be honest. Do you recognize yourself? Or can you spot a German just by their English? Because here's the thing, Germans don't speak bad English, but there are small things that instantly expose them. And say with me, I made a surprise for you, especially if you recognize yourself already, or you think you can spot a German just by their English. Not bad. In Germany, that means good, like nicht schlecht. But in English, not bad is not really a compliment. It's more neutral. It's like, okay, fine, average. Now, let me tell you something I experienced myself. So imagine I cook something for Germans. I went all in. I made several dishes, international food, pies, soup, salad. Everything was on the table. It looked like a full feast. And I was sitting there waiting, thinking, okay, now I will hear something like, wow, this is amazing. Like in Spanish, you would say, esto está riquísimo. But instead, silence. Just people eating, no reaction. And I started panicking a little. So I asked, is this actually good? Do you enjoy your meal? And they said, ja, genau, nicht schlecht. So imagine this. You cook a full meal. You expect emotion, reaction, excitement, and you get not bad. That's why in English it sounds very neutral, almost like no emotional reaction at all. And now, quick study notes for you. And next, if you watched my video about Spanish language, I explained there this pronunciation problem. And now Germans see SCH and go full German mode. So instead of schedule, schedule, they say schedule, schedule. Now pay attention. If you say, what are you doing? You instantly are exposed as a German. And now, quick study notes for you. Just a few seconds. Because W and V sounds are really different in English. One sounds like w, like weak, weakness, work, w, and the other one sounds more like v, Valentine's, very, and this is the difference. But in German, you pronounce W as the. And this is where you're getting confused. But wait, this one is worse. What is this for an animal? What does it cost? It makes sense, but this is a direct translation. English is not word for word, it's usage. Correct. What kind of animal is this? How much does it cost? And now, quick study notes for you. Just a few seconds. Correct. What kind of animal is this? How much does it cost? And before we continue, this is love. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. And if love smiles, then you subscribe and like for sure. Next, make the light on. In English, turn on the light, turn off the light. Also, also, Germans often start the sentence with also, but in English, also, like so I went there. And now, pay attention. I become a message. I got a message. We see us tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I have a question to you, for you. And now, quick study notes for you. Just a few seconds. And honestly, there are many more mistakes like this. That's why I made a free surprise for you, a PDF with the common mistakes that Germans make in English. Check description or comments to download it. And now, just a few seconds. If this lights up, you learned something new today. So, subscribe and like. Now, tell me, do you recognize yourself?